them to see?
I'm excited for them to see the whole movie. Everybody's great.
Hi, Jennifer. So exciting. Tell us what fans should be excited to see tonight. This is so amazing just to be here.
Excited to see it with an audience tonight. You know, when you see a comedy, it's always better to see it in the theater because you get everybody laughing and everything. So I'm really excited about it.
And what's unique about this action comedy that also has a lot of heart?
Yeah, it's funny. You know, I've done a lot of romantic comedies, but I've never done an action comedy. So it was actually a lot of fun. I don't know if you guys remember who Lucille Ball was, but I felt like I was getting my Lucy on. You know what I mean? So it was amazing.
What was the hardest moment, speaking of
The
that?
whole thing, it was amazing.
Hardest moment you had to shoot?
The hardest moment? Probably the zip line, you know, when Josh had to we had to fall off of it, and then he was like upside down, and there was a lot of moments though. The car.
And you were tied together for a lot of the film.
The whole film, we were handcuffed together, so yeah, it was crazy. It was fun though.
Can you say hi to all of our fans at home and from around the world?
Hello, everybody. I love you guys. I love you. Thank you.
Love you.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. Have so much fun tonight. Oh, sure.